Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ban perkhing ya kejingwan rung lai luot, jong ki menderi bat ki ba Jylla sharilom garu. Shen ka Sorkar Jylla ka sa Pynïeng no ka kerdap talasi mender, ne ka entry and exit point. Ha Mendipathar railway station ka badan Hanot Garo Hills district, ka so ya kalinti rel na Meghalaya sa Assam. Umintri rang ba ka Jylla konrad ke sangma habakren, syakilat pathai kubor next ngi khat santri urampang, arajar khat kendai. Ulay thu ba Shen umintri katnat kampo Pynïeng ka Jylla u James ke sangma bat umintri katnat penroi sor ba Hamlet Sondoling kinlek ban jurip ya ka jaka ban Pynïeng ya ka kerdap talasi mender ha Mendipathar. Kumba kalong mentak Sorkar kalabu thong ban Pynïeng kerdap talasi mender na Ribhoi district ha East Jente Hills district ha West Khasi Hills district but ha West Garo Hills district.
There is no right or wrong mechanism that we can put in that will be 100% sure, but we can keep improving the system and keep tightening the system. And therefore, the government is definitely open to explore all possible ideas where we balance out between the mechanism that is going to ensure that illegal immigration doesn't take place, but at the same time will ensure that the economy also is not affected, whether it's tourism or any kind of investment that is there. So the government has to keep a very fine balance between these two aspects, and that is the reason why we are working towards finding out the best mechanism and going in a manner that is going to ensure the balance between both, ensuring that illegal immigration is also addressed, but at the same time the economic activity is not affected to an extreme extent. So therefore that balance has to be maintained, and that is why government has to be careful and and really take all aspects into consideration before going into a proper policy or a system. And government is already earlier the entry exit points had been identified. I think you must be aware that already we have almost completed the permission for the entry and exit point in the Mendipathar railway station, and within I think a few days time Honorable Home Minister and our Honorable Urban Affairs Minister will be visiting Mendipathar. Written permissions I think about a week back we had already received a verbal communication, but written communication should be there by now. So therefore already very advanced steps are being taken. We should be opening up the entry exit very soon in checking point in Mendipathar. We have also finalized the locations for the entry exit point in almost all the key 4-5 areas where we find maximum traffic, and I think hopefully in the next few months we'll be able to start the work in these entry exit points, be it East Jente Hills, Ribhoi, West Khasi Hills, North Garo Hills, West Garo Hills. So there are a few key areas which we've identified, and it's in it's a stage where we might be able to start the construction work anytime. The exit point is the infrastructure, ILP is the mechanism. So therefore we need to have a system, and that the system involves infrastructure, because even if the ILP is there, how will you check it if you don't have a system in place? So therefore there has to be a system, means an infrastructure in place. So therefore the infrastructure will be put in. What will be the best mechanism to put into place, as I said, which will balance out both, is really something that we're looking at. We are concerned about both the illegal immigration as well as the economy, and that is where we are trying to work out a system that is going to balance the two. So therefore we're not close to any idea. We are definitely exploring the best, but we like to look at something that will suit our economy, will suit our people and suit our state the best.